Kraken, how to send crypto. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can send crypto on Kraken, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send crypto on Kraken, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Kraken application, and then you're going to see this type of interface. And once you've done this, if you have got some type of crypto, you'll basically find them inside the portfolio tab that you would be able to find here. And once you come to the portfolio tab, you'll be able to see a list of cryptocurrencies that you own. So first of all, you need to make sure that you own a crypto, and once you select a certain crypto that you would like to send, you can simply select that, and then you'll be able to send them successfully. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically send crypto on Kraken. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.